In this video, I will show you how to use TapTap Send to send money to Ghana. So first, go ahead and open up the TapTap Send app, and if you haven't done so yet, create your account. After doing that, from the list of countries, click on the drop down here, just scroll down a bit until you see Ghana. Then click on it, and now choose how much you would like to send. I'll just keep it at 50 euros, but I could, for example, also change this right here to 1000. Now, if you want to, you can click add promo code and then here enter this code right here. And then hit enter, and then you will get 5 euros of bonus on your transfer. Now click add new recipient and choose how you want the payout to go. I'll choose Airtel Tigo, and then here you need to enter their details. Now if I choose their bank account, I will need to enter some different details, but just follow all these steps and eventually add your own payment details and review that all the details are correct about the transfer, and if they are, confirm the transfer, and then the money will be on its way to Ghana. So now you know how to use TapTap Send money transfer to send money to Ghana. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.